Start her up.
Oh,
that was a good one.
Holy shit.
That worked great.
You can't look at it. I just see silhouettes on the background. Like, oh, look over here. You should look over here. Watch Justin's silhouette. It's so bright. It's so bright.
Stop this. As you are. Oh god. Oh god. And it's happening now.
Oh boy. Oh, we had a flame out.
American girl.
There's pieces of it falling off.
This is happening and it smells like shit. What?
We're
Because
inhaling.
there are no fire alarms in this. Actually, there is no deck. But it's not even on. There's no lights.
Alright, we might need to take a break after this one. Let the smoke clear.
The smoke. There's no smoke. This is only the smoke that's fogging up this entire room.